Hello friends, this is Bisho and you are watching Techno Bisho. Today I will review Lenovo K8 Plus. This is Lenovo K8 Plus. This is the handset Venom Black, 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM, expandable up to 128GB. Thank God it has a dedicated memory slot. Actually, the price is 10,999 rupees in Flipkart, but you can buy it from the discounted price, that is 9,999 rupees. The screen size is only 5.2 inch and the resolution is Full HD IPS panel. It has Android Nougat 7.1.1 stock Android version. It will be upgraded to Oreo or Android 8.0 very soon, the last month of this year or the first week of January 2018. It has a great camera setup, that is 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera with dual flash, 8 megapixel front camera with flash. It has a MediaTek Helio P25 processor, octa-core 2.5 GHz processor, almost same to same with the Snapdragon 625. It has a active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, Dolby Atmos sound enhancement, Bluetooth 4.2. It has also Wi-Fi and hotspot. It has a FM radio, micro USB 2.0. It has almost all the sensors: fingerprint, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity, and finally it has a compass sensor. There is no compass sensor in Moto G5 Plus and G5s Plus. I don't know what is Lenovo thinking. And finally it has a 4000 milliampere battery, 4G VoLTE, Geo SIM compatible, weight is 165 gram. There is almost no bloatware on the device. There is no screen button, there is no on-screen button. Finally, the camera. From its dual camera you can do bokeh effect or depth effect. The camera performs well in the daylight condition, but under low light the camera struggles a lot, and no depth or bokeh effect works in the low light situation. The build quality is solid. It has a protective cover in the box. This is the 3.5 mm jack. There is dual speaker, not works, only single speaker works, and there is a micro USB 2.0. chop flash not works here. It's only works with Moto G5 Plus. This is calculator and In the sunlight the screen is very much visible. You can view it in the direct sunlight. Lenovo Help, I don't know how it works. There are some cons in this handset. There is sometimes it hangs, sometimes blinking screen or flickering screen. Battery also drains very fast. The FM radio didn't work without the headphone. There is a solution of flickering screen. That is, turn off your adaptive brightness and there will be no flickering. Under this 10,000 rupees, it is the best buy. You can also consider the Honor 6X. Thank you for watching.